Okay, welcome everyone, and today I'm going to show you the clip first, and then we are going to slowly talk about how I did this clip, and we are going to break down it. So, let me show you the clip first. Okay, so the clip is very short and simple, and let me start with this first frame. Okay, and this is my timeline, and you can see there are almost like six pictures over here and on top of each other. So you can see this is the longest duration clip. It starts from here and ends till here. Okay, and then I introduce the second one, which is on the right. Then I introduce the next one, which is at this point of timeline, and which is on the left. And the next one pops again somewhere over here, and then the next one in the middle, and the next one in the right. Yeah, so this is how I've played with the timing. So we start with this, then this one, then the left one, again on the left, but it's on the top of other three. Then we have again another one, and we end with the last shot. Yeah, so I wanted to play with the popping effect on the screen, and this is something you can do it with pictures, your own selfies, or anything that you like it for your Instagram reels. Okay, so how I did this, I'm just going to quickly show you. I'm not going to show you everything from scratch because this will take me a lot of time. So I'm going to click on this clip, and we are going to go to the inspector browser over here, and I'm just going to uncheck the effects, and you will see this is how the clip originally looks like. With effects, I'll show you what effects I have added. I have added photo recall. If I undo it, the borders will be gone, and it looks square because I have added crop and feather and cropped it. Okay, so I'm going to add my photo recall back. So with crop and feather, I have made it square. I've added some aged film look. I've given it some shakiness, if you can see. Uh, the shakiness is due to the handheld effect, and all these three effects are available inside FCP10, and that's for free. Okay, so that's my first clip with all the effects added. Yeah, then I straight copied it, and I added the next one. I added the next clip right here. Okay, so you can see the next clip arrives, and I have made a minor changes in this. Otherwise everything is same. The photo recall is right there, and then I have added some indie red effect to it. Yeah, I have cropped it. I have given it some handheld effect. The next one is also similar. I've just added some different look to it, so you can see it looks a bit different compared to other two. Okay, and next I just repeated all these three shots again on the top of each other. Yeah, so it's a very simple edit. It's nothing complicated, and it's for beginners, so it's not meant for advanced editors. Yeah, so you can play around with this. You can also play with some sound, add some sound effects, and make the clip look more interesting. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was helpful for you, and see you guys soon in the next tutorial. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much guys, and see you guys soon.